Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from Design Science Software Technologies, the BricsCAD sales and support point for India. In this BricsCAD video, I am going to show you how you can create an inches only dimension. Normally, you know how to create architectural dimension in feet and inches, but what if you want to show the dimension only in inches? So let us open a drawing with the Imperial template, and I'm going to draw a line which is exactly 5 feet 6 inches in the horizontal direction. So this is a 5 feet 6 inch line. Now I'm going to settings. Under dimensions, under primary units, there are several parameters that you can set for the current style. So the first thing that I'm going to do is set the dimension precision to 0, and I'm going to change this dimension units to architectural to show you how it normally works. And then I'm also going to change dim scale to 5 so that my text is big enough for you to read. So I'm going to start the dimension command and create a regular architectural dimension of 5 feet 6 inches. Now this is nothing new, everybody knows how to do this, but what if I wanted, instead of 5 feet 6 inches, I wanted the dimension as 66 inches. Now that's not very evident how you do it in BricsCAD. So there is a technique and I'm going to show you that. So I'm going to the drawing explorer, go to dimension style. My current style is standard, so I'm going to go to the primary units, and here you can see there's something called dim prefix and dim suffix. You set the dim suffix with the inch character, which is a double quote, and then I'm going to close this and I'm going to settings. So the dim precision must be set as 0, and the dim units you must set it as decimal, and the dim units you must set it to decimal. Now this is something unusual. You are actually doing an imperial dimension, which is feet and inches, but you are setting the dim units to decimal. Now that's because to get what we want, we need only the decimal part, which is 66 inches. So you need to set dim units as decimal, but you need to set the prefix with a inch mark. So once you do that, you can start the dim command again. So you can now see that I have my dimension in inches. So this is a hack that you can employ to get dimensions in inches. Now you may notice that there are two quotes here next to the feet and inch dimension. That is because we have put the dim suffix as the inch mark. So the imperial unit dimension already creates 5 feet 6 inches as the dimension text and then puts an additional inch mark next to it. So if you want to do dimensions in the normal feet and inch way, you must make sure that you go back here to dimension style, to the dimension prefix part, which is under primary unit, and you must remove the suffix and then create your normal dimensions in architectural style. Now for those who don't want to go through all these menus, there is also a set of dimension variables that you can control from the command line. So I'm going to show that here as well. So the first one is called dim post. So dim post is the value that you use for the suffix. So I'm going to put that as an inch mark, and then there's a variable called dim dec. Dim dec is to specify the precision for the dimension, so I'm going to set that as 0. And then there is a variable called dim L unit, which is the primary dimension unit variable. I'm going to set that to 2, which is the decimal dimensions. So if you set these three variables on the command line, you can do exactly the same thing what I've shown you through the user interface. I hope you like this video. Do let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.